Hey guys, it's Adam. What's going on? So today I'm installing a ProClip phone holder for my car. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to loosen up the screw that's right in the middle of the phone case holder. Once you get that loosened up, you're going to go ahead and pop the back piece of the phone case holder off. Once you do that, go ahead and take the ProClip mount that is provided with the phone case and everything, and you're going to connect the piece that you just popped off onto the phone case mount. Once you get that screwed in and all taken care of, you're going to go ahead and connect the piece that you unscrewed first back to the mount, so that way now it's all one piece. Once you're finished with all of this, you go ahead, head out to your car, and you can finish the process, which you'll see at the end of the video once you get there. It's a pretty easy process altogether. The first part took me about 10 minutes. The last part, once I got in my car, literally took about 30 seconds. It's a really smooth fit. It connects very easily to the car. It's a very natural fit, and I would totally recommend ProClip to anybody that is interested in using a phone case holder or anything like that. I like having things that are hands-free. It just makes driving a whole lot safer, things a whole lot easier. So if you want to, go check out ProClip USA on Instagram. They have really awesome products. Thank you, ProClip USA, for sending out this product so that way I could review it. And go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.